In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import your named function here in Google Sheets. So in a previous video, I've already shown you how to name your custom functions or formulas, and this was our data right here. So the function that we created is this one right here, which is our +10 tax. If we try and input it right here, we have the name of our function, its description, and if we click on that, we have our syntax right here. So this is the named function that I want to import on this spreadsheet right here. So how do we import our named function? So first, we're going to go to our data here in the menu bar and then click on named functions. Here we have our named functions, and to import, we're just going to click on import function at the bottom right. If we click on that, now we'll be led to our drive where we're going to select that Google Sheet file. I'm just going to go to recent because that's where my file is. And here it is. I'm going to click on it. So once you found the file where you're going to import that function, just click on it and select insert at the bottom right. Here we have our window where we will see all of our named functions. So again, this is the formula or the named function that we created in that separate Google Sheet file. And this is where you will find all of your named functions. So if there's more than one, you will see them right here. Well, I've only created one, so I'm just going to select that, and that's the one I want to import. Click on import again at the bottom right. And here we have it. Named functions imported successfully. So if we try our formula here right now, =, type in plus. Here it is. We can now select it. Again, we have the name, description. If we click on it, it will also show us our formula or our syntax. So let me just click on the price, press enter, and there you have it. So that's how you can import your named functions from a different spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.